West Philippine Sea issue was also high in the agenda of the gathering of the country's Catholic bishops. The CBCP ordered prayers in all churches in the country for peace in the West Philippine Sea. Ria Fernandez reports that other important issues were discussed by the prelates.
In the 111th plenary of the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, or CBCP, bishops tackled some controversial issues in the country like the West Philippine Sea disputes, proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law, same-sex marriage, drug use and trafficking, as well as K-12 program. Re-elected CBCP President Archbishop Socrates Villegas of Lingayen, Dagupan, Pangasinan said all dioceses will offer an Oratio Imperata or obligatory prayer to ease tensions in West Philippine Sea and to achieve justice, equality, prosperity, and brotherhood. Moreover, the Catholic Church keeps neutrality on proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law.
So we just gave the wishes and hopes of the people for peace. Because peace is not just an aspiration of Filipinos, it's an aspiration that Christ Himself gave us.
On the issue of same-sex marriage, which have been legalized recently in the whole United States of America, the Church has remained its stance that marriage is the union of only man and woman.
Marriage is always and will always be a union between a man and a woman. Kung sakaling mayroon pong tinatawag na pagsasama ng same-sex, ito ho ay gawa-gawa ng mga gobyerno at pamahalaan. Subalit ang moralidad ay mananatiling moralidad. What is right and what is wrong regardless of human relation.
The Church also calls out everybody's cooperation in fighting problems in drugs and trafficking. It also recognizes the government's K-12 program but stressed that it is the parents' responsibility to guide their children. It also noted that importance should be given to the poor and teachers through just compensations. Meanwhile, CBCP did not include in the discussion Elections 2016, which will be raised in their separate meeting in January. But this is their position on the matter.
Our main concern is that the election process be as transparent as humanly possible. Number two, that it be efficient. And number three, that there is total public accountability.
Villegas, meanwhile, reacted against politicians who use the church for campaign.
Do not use the sacred in order to pursue your secular motives, because your abuse and misuse will boomerang on you.
For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.